I wish I knew about ESM3 before diving into biology? This tool is transforming the field, and here's why you need to know about it. Meet ESM3, a groundbreaking language model specifically crafted for biology. Thanks to AWS and Evolutionary Scale, researchers can now access this state-of-the-art tech through Amazon SageMaker. Imagine generating complex multi-domain proteins, designing entirely new proteins, and accelerating drug discovery, all with ESM3. But how does it work? ESM3 uses transformer architecture similar to GPT models, but it's trained on vast biological data. It can predict and generate sequences, propose new proteins, and even predict protein functions. The potential? Mind-blowing. Think rapid drug discovery, personalized medicine, and even biofuel production. ESM3 can also assist in genome assembly, functional annotation, and metagenomic analysis. The impact on drug discovery alone is monumental. Researchers can design proteins to interact with specific targets, paving the way for innovative therapies. And this is just the beginning. Excited yet? Subscribe to our channel for more on how tech is revolutionizing biology. Don't miss out on the future of research.